want to do like the Sunday reset type of video. It's not Sunday though, so we're gonna do like the Sunday reset on Saturday, okay? Guys, I'm so unmotivated. Like, I don't want to do anything. I feel like I am a little burned out, which is kind of a big thing for me to say because, like, I love working and I love filming videos, but lately, like, for the past couple of months, I feel like I haven't really had the energy and time to put, you know, everything into my videos. And the result of it is that I hate the videos that I put up for you guys because I know that I can make, you know, videos that are 100 times better, and I feel like you've been kind of witnessing it too. I don't want to do this like whole burnout speech right now because I feel like every creator kind of goes through this in once in a while, but I don't know, I'm trying to be more honest, and yeah, this is how I feel. And honestly, I'm hungry again. So I think I'm gonna go make something for lunch. Then actually I have like a fun thing that we could do today, or that we should do, because I'm actually leaving for Copenhagen and Oslo in 2 days. It's like a 5-day trip, and 2 days I'm gonna be in Copenhagen and then 3 days in Oslo. And I want to put together some cool outfits that I can wear there. Obviously it's gonna be freezing and we're gonna be 90% of the day we're gonna be outside, so I need to put together like 5 really warm outfits, but also outfits that are still cute. So I think that's gonna be the next part of this video. But for now, let's make something for lunch. I'm really lazy, so I think it's gonna be pasta. Okay. And now I have energy, so we're over that burnout talk, over that whole depressed mood, and we are full of life again. This is the first outfit that I was thinking that I could wear in Oslo. It's not really the best outfit ever, I know. Oh, I don't know if I actually mentioned this, but we are going by car, and from here to Oslo it's 16 hours, so I thought that this could be like a really nice and comfy outfit to wear on the way there. But whatever, let's think of something more dressy, because this is kind of boring. Okay, I look good, I think. Isn't this the best freaking thing? Ow! I just fell. I just remembered. Wait, I'm gonna go bring my gloves. Look how freaking fluffy these are. They are a different shade, you know, they're kind of like creamy. This is white. See, I don't know. Well, I posted it on my story, so we'll see. But honestly, I think I like it best without any scarf. And then the gloves, like, I don't know, they're again not the same color. But yeah, I'm still not sure with which leg warmer I'm gonna wear it. So I think I'm gonna wait for my Instagram results. And yeah, look at these. Aren't these literally amazing? They're Marc Jacobs moon boots. I wore them once to a party. This is how I styled them. It was like a ski themed party, but I've honestly been very scared to wear them out because these are actually vintage. I thought that they could look good with this really basic outfit. This is pretty cute now, and I think I'm gonna wear it with my trench coat. Like, this would look so good with like a light puffer jacket, but I don't own one, so wait, let me think of something different. Okay, I decided. I think this looks the best. And I also kind of like how I paired it with this hat, and then this scarf that kind of like ties in all the colors together, and then this leather bag which matches with the leather on the boots. And yeah, I honestly really like this creamy aesthetic, so yeah. This is the next outfit, just some, you know, bell bottoms, and I really want to wear this beanie. I don't know why. The only problem is that I don't know if I should wear it with my black coat. This is the outfit. I kind of changed it up because I realized that most of the days it's like under 0 degrees, so I really need some warm outfits, and this is like the warmest jacket that I own. I have 2 bag options. Look at this. It's a Dior tote bag. I found this buried under like so many handbags of my mom, and I literally, as soon as I saw it, I was like, and I stole it, so now it's mine. Or there's like the usual black leather tote bag, which like I cannot go wrong with this, you know? I love this. I feel so warm. So I think this outfit is a win. The light is definitely fading fast, but that's not gonna stop me from continuing this. So I have my Pull and Bear, you know, those like viral pants that went crazy on TikTok. Then I have my Dolce & Gabbana crop top with Monica Bellucci's breasts. I love this crop top. Because I will freeze in this, I have to, you know, pair it with a cardigan, and I cannot find any of my cardigans right now, so this one will have to do the job. Wait, I just realized I know where the other one is. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, there we go. I think this one is a little bit better. And I think I'm gonna pair it with this coat, because apparently I'm gonna bring all of the coats that I own to this trip. Oh my goodness, I just got the best idea ever. I can make this into a balaclava. And then again, you know, I can wear it with either one of these bags. And then I also realized that I have so many cool glasses. Like, first of all, look at these Dior ones. They're both from Dior and they're after my grandma. Like, how freaking cool are these? I wore these ones last time I wore this outfit and I felt so powerful. I look really cool. Okay guys, I think that's all the outfits that I'm gonna bring with me. But now I have to clean my room because, yeah, wait, let me show you. Look at my bed. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up and I'm gonna take care of this mess. Bed now. Look how freaking cute this is. Like, isn't this such a cute wintry vibe? Anyways, now I'm gonna cook something for dinner because we're both super starving, and I think I'm gonna make a chicken wok. I already made it like 10 times on my channel, but you're gonna watch it again because it's our favorite food. But before I start, I have to kind of again clean my kitchen because I didn't clean up after lunch. So yeah. Guys, last clip you saw, you know, we were sitting down for dinner, we finished dinner, I jumped into the shower, changed into my pajamas, and now I laid in bed, I put like a Disney movie on, and I started scrolling through Pinterest, and I was looking at all of these, you know, it's like a new trend, all of these like big pendant necklaces, and then I realized that when me and my sister were kids, we used to have something like that, like similar type of necklaces. So I was like, let me check, let me go into my mom's closet. Also, my mom's closet is like the best freaking thrift store ever. So first of all, look at this. I found this shirt.
It's like, it has this lettuce hem and it's completely see-through. I'm not gonna try it on because you would see my boobies and I'm too lazy to put a bra on. Also, I do not know this designer. The name is Suzanne Viebe, but I think it has to be something very fancy because this feels super fancy. So we're definitely gonna be styling this very soon, so stay tuned. But then I found the pendant necklaces. Like, guys, do you freaking see? I am speechless. This is definitely my favorite one. Like, it's this beautiful glass butterfly green, and I love green. It's so pretty. I just cannot believe I found this. I'm sorry if I'm like being too, you know. Then we have this beautiful pink heart, or like red heart. Again, made from glass, and this one is a little bit smaller. I would try it on, but there's a knot and I cannot unknot it, so whatever, just picture this, you know. Then I also have been seeing a lot of those like shell type of pendant necklaces, and I found this one. Oh, wait, I think I put it on backwards because it's like facing the wrong way, but it should be like this. Okay, it's like a white shell. Okay, then I have this giant one. Look at how big. I'm gonna try to close it. Look at this one. This is the last one. Look at the beads. Like, the camera doesn't do it the justice. Like, it looks so freaking fancy up close, and it probably is because it's after my grandma, and my grandma is very fancy, but it's so cute. I cannot wait to wear this with like a spaghetti black dress, like a mini dress, you know, and my hair slicked back into like a very tight bun and like heels. Whatever, I wanted to show you this because I got too excited. As you can see, I cannot even speak right now. So yeah, once again, this is all of them. I am so happy with them and I cannot wait to style them. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right now because we're probably gonna watch like a movie or something with my boyfriend. I have my tiny white wine. My boyfriend actually got me these and I've been feeling very like cute. Like, I always light my candles and I, you know, put some movie on and I drink this and I feel like such a grown-up woman. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's wine or something. Cheers to us. Cheers to being happy, healthy. If you're not happy, it's okay. I was literally going through a burnout today, and yeah, just fake it till you make it, you know? Thank you for supporting my channel. If you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and maybe comment something down below for the algorithm. Definitely don't forget to subscribe because we're getting so close to hitting 10,000. Don't forget to check out my Instagram too. And that is it, guys. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye! I just feel so grown up. I don't know.